Jason. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make a portfolio website for a software engineer. While there are numerous platforms that you can use to create a portfolio website, the one that I would recommend you use is WIX. The reason why I recommend WIX Website Builder is, for one, it is completely free to use, and also it offers numerous features which makes it perfect for a beginner or even someone that has experience with creating a website. The Wix website builder is perfect overall, as you don't need to add any external platforms or apps. All you'll need to do is go onto wix.com. From there you can create an account using your email address. Once you have created your account, you'll be redirected to this page, and I want you to tap on Create on Wix Editor. Once you have done that, you're going to be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll be presented with two options. You can either tap on Start Chat or Set Up Without Chat. If you were to tap on Start Chat, you would get access to the Wix AI, but I would recommend that you tap on Set Up Without Chat, as this will give you more authority to customize and set up some small details on your website. Once you're on this page, you're going to simply type in software engineer. You can type that in right here, and you can see software engineer portfolio. You can select that. Then you're going to tap on continue. After tapping on continue, you're going to give it a few seconds while your dashboard is being prepared. Once your dashboard is up and running, you're going to enter the name of your site. So let's say, for example, I just want to call this test web. So I'm going to type in test web right there, then tap on continue. After you have done that, you can see some suggested apps. So we are definitely going to need the portfolio app, as this will allow you to showcase your work. And you can also add the Instagram feed, so you'll be able to display pictures and videos from Instagram. And I would also recommend that you select the blog app, as this will allow you to write articles that will rank on Google and other search platforms, so you'll be able to get organic traffic. If it is a case that you plan on sharing videos or streaming videos, you can tap on the video app also. And if you plan on selling anything online, you could select the online store option. You can also add a chatbot, and you can also add booking. So for example, if you would like to allow persons to book a consultation or to book some of your time so that you could talk to them about different stuff when it comes onto software engineering, you could do that. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on continue in the bottom right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on continue to dashboard. Now, once on our dashboard, what I want you to do first is go over to the left hand menu option, and you're going to select portfolio. By selecting portfolio, you'll now be able to upload your work, and you can see the different suggested categories, as you can see right here. So you have web development, mobile apps, data analytics, UI/UX design, software solutions, or others. You can select any one of these options. Let's say we were to stick with web development, then tap on next. Then you can see the option to upload from your device. So you could tap right there, and then you'll be able to upload your work or your portfolio, better yet. By doing this, you'll be able to display your portfolio just like that to others whenever they choose to visit your website. So as I had stated earlier when I was kicking off this tutorial, Wix platform is beginner friendly and quite easy to use, as you can see right there. With only a few touches of a button, you'll now be able to upload your portfolio, and you are going to be even more surprised when you see how your website looks on the front end. Now you can also go over to the left hand menu option, and after you have uploaded some of your work, you can create collections. And if you would like to write a blog, you could tap on blog, and from here you'll be able to create different blog posts by tapping on create new post in the top right hand corner. From here you can add your title, then you could start typing right here. And by the way, if we were to go over to the top left hand corner and tap on add, you can see the different elements that you can quickly add on your blog. So you can add images, you can also use Wix AI feature to generate AI images, you can add buttons, and so on. Once you're finished creating your blog, you can post it right away. And all of these features are completely free to use. The only time you would pay, or need to sign up to a paid plan on Wix, better yet, is if you would like to collect some form of payment. So as I was saying earlier, let's say for example you'd like to sell some services or consultation. If it comes onto that, you'll need to sign up to their paid plan, which starts off at $17 per month. So unless you want to collect payment using this platform, you don't have to sign up to their paid plan. But if it is a case that you do, you can tap on all payments right here. After tapping on all payments, you could tap on manage payment methods. Then from here, you can set up the different payment options. So as you can see right here, I can offer PayPal and I can also offer TiloPay. If I were to change my business location, I would be able to offer more payment options. So all you need to do is change your business location in the top right hand corner and you can offer more payment options. And also if you would like to use this platform for email marketing, you can do that by going over to the left hand menu option. You could hover over marketing and you can see you can do email marketing. You can use it to run Google ads, Facebook or Instagram ads, or so on. This is an all-in-one platform. You can also view your analytics right here, so you can view how many persons are visiting your website, and you can also see the countries that you're visiting from, and so on. Once you're finished doing that, you can tap on set up in the top left hand corner. Then you're going to tap on design site in the top right hand corner. Then we'll tap on pick a template. From here you'll be able to choose a theme for your website. So you can see some recommended themes right here. So you can scroll down and you can select from any one of these themes. Let's say we were to select this one. All you'll need to do is tap on edit. Once you have tapped on edit, you're going to be redirected to a new page. And this is your editor page. Once the editor page loads up, you're going to see a pop-up box. In this pop-up box, if you would like to use the WIX AI feature to compose some content for your website, you can type in different form of information that you would like to get added, and then you could tap on generate content, as you can see right here, and it will automatically be added to your website. What I would typically do is simply close the pop-up box, then tap on plus 50% in the top right hand corner, and then you can see how our website looks. Now to start editing it, you can simply hover over whichever section you would like to change. So for example, if you like to edit the header section, you can tap on quick edit. Then from there, you can tap right where you see paragraph on the right hand column right here, and you can start editing it. So let's say I were to change the R to J right there. So you can see that it changes in the top left hand corner. You can also edit the search bar, and you can continue editing each section. So if we would like to change the name right here from Robert, we can simply tap on the text, then you'll see a box pop up and says edit text. You can tap on that, and from there you can edit the text. So I could remove name right here and I could type in my name, as you can see right there. And also if it is a case that I would like to change the background image, I can do that. All I would need to do is simply tap on the current background, then tap on change background. Then from there you can either change it to an image or you can select video. Let's say I were to select image. After selecting image, you're going to see a pop-up appear, as you can see right here. Then from here I could type in whatever I want, or I could select upload media and upload something from my device. But let's say I wanted to use one of the WIX copyright free images. I could simply type in man, for example. Then from there you can see the different images, and let's say I were to select this one, then tap on change background. After I've done that, you can see that the background image has changed right there, and you can also tap here on the settings cog right there, and from there you can further adjust it if you want. So you can adjust the brightness and so on if you want. You can also remove the background of the picture if you want. Once you're finished and it is to your liking, you can continue scrolling down and making changes. And to view all the pages on your website, you're going to tap on home in the top left hand corner. From here, you can see the pages that are currently on our website. So you can see the portfolio page if we were to tap on portfolio. And this is where your portfolio would be displayed. Remember, I had showed you earlier how to upload your portfolio. If it is a case that you would like to create a new page, all you'll need to do once you have tapped on portfolio, for example, in the top left hand corner, from there you could tap on manage pages, then you'll see the option add page. You can tap on add page and you can see the different pages. You could choose to add a blank page, an about us page, services page, projects page. You can see there are numerous different options that you can select, and with each option that you select you will get a example or better a template that you can work with, as you can see right there. So you can select any one of these options. And also, if it is a case that you would like to add an element to any section of the website, for example a text box or a video, you can tap on the plus in the top left hand corner that says elements, and from here you'll be able to find it. Once you're finished and it is to your liking, you're going to tap on publish in the top right hand corner and your website will now be live. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you need further assistance, let me know in the comment section, and I will also be leaving an email address that you can contact me on if you need any help. Thank you for watching.